Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own fishing weights for carp fishing, coarse fishing, whatever you want really, just out of some pebbles that you might find in your garden or just when you're out on a walk. So to make these fishing weights I've got some little rocks that I've found out of the garden. I've tried to get the roundest, smoothest ones I can. Doesn't really matter if they're not perfectly round. I've got some epoxy and some super glue. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet to secure the metal into the tops. And I've got some paper clips. You could use some steel wire, but I've got some paper clips, so I'm going to try those. And then a drill, combi drill with hammer function with a small masonry bit at the end to drill the hole.
So the first thing to do was to get the little pebbles into the vise, get them clamped up nice and tight, ready for drilling the hole. Before I drilled the hole, I used a file just to get a flat spot on top, and that would make it easier to drill. Then with the combi drill set to hammer mode, I could begin to drill down. I'm using a small bit here, it's probably 5mm diameter, maybe less. Then I realised that I needed to set a depth, so I've put a little bit of tape on the drill bit so that I can drill down just as far as I need to go. And then for some of these stones around the hole it was quite rough, so I used the file again just to make it nice and smooth. I collected some of the dust for later on, I'll be using that. And now I'm using the staples, so I'm cutting a staple roughly in half and then I'm adding a swivel on and then using a nail to help to keep it circular at the end. I'm using the drill and I'm twisting the two pieces of metal around each other. As you can see here, it twists the metal round and it leaves a round part at the end. Now I could remove that nail and I want to twist up the ends and make them sort of like an arrow, and it's like a barb, so that when it goes into the hole it will go in but it won't come out. Now I could push it down into the hole and you can hear it's already a tight fit. So once that's down it won't come out because it will hit those barbs. Now to secure it I'm going to pump some super glue down into the hole, and then I'm going to slowly add some of that dust from the drilling earlier on to the glue, and then add more glue on top of that and just keep adding more and more of that dust to make like a type of concrete. And it set quite quickly, it didn't take too long at all.
So I've ended up with 3 pebble weights. You can see how the super glue and the powder from the drilling of the hole has made like a concrete, and it feels really firm. So I think I'm going to keep this one looking original. I'm going to paint this one brown and I'm going to paint this one green.
So the paint, I'm using acrylic water-based paint and just giving them one coat, it doesn't really matter. And this is great if you've got different situations when you're fishing. You might be on a weedy bottom, so you might want to use the green one, or a muddy bottom, use the brown one, or if it's like a pebbly bottom, you might want to use just a standard pebble. So then I added a coat of lacquer to this paint just to keep it protected nicely. And that was the weights all done.
Okay, that's about it then for this video. So there you have it. A really nice little useful fishing weight. Looks natural. Cheap to do. If you've got a few tools lying around, you should be able to do this no problem. The super glue feels rock solid. Seems to have worked well. But you can also use epoxy or like a putty. You can get a putty that you use on metal or stone and it goes really hard. So there's a few different products out there. As long as you've got some swivels and some paper clips or some steel wire, you should be able to make these with a combi drill. I've added my lead clip on the end here and it's working perfectly. You can imagine that on a rig. Looks natural, looks good. So there you have it. If you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more fishing related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.